Are you thinking about jumping into Iqonic Trading? Before you do, listen up, it might not be what it seems. Iqonic.life promises to make crypto and forex trading simple with features like swipe to trade, live sessions, and a buzzing trading community. But once you look a little deeper, some serious concerns start to pop up. First off, the leadership behind Iqonic raises a lot of eyebrows, with very little solid background information available about the people running the show. Digging further, there are sketchy connections to other questionable projects, which makes you wonder about the platform's true intentions. Then there's the issue of regulation, or rather, the lack of it, which is a major red flag when you're dealing with financial investments. Plus, the whole setup gives off strong NLM vibes, pushing users to recruit others rather than focus purely on trading success. And let's talk about the price. Joining isn't cheap, and considering the risks involved, it feels like you're paying a lot without a clear guarantee of results. While some users might see short-term gains, the overall picture suggests you could be stepping into something much riskier than it first appears. So if you're thinking of putting your money into Iqonic, just know it's not all flashy tools and easy wins. Make sure you look twice before making any moves.